Thank you for visiting my website. I'm sure you found me online. I don't know where, but somewhere online. So I have a good news to share with all the business owners and network marketers who are desperately looking to get more customers or more prospect to their business. So now, for especially for networkers, because I am a networker, prospect is the lifeblood of MLM business. I hope you agree on that, right? Without prospects, you are dead in the business. You have to look for prospect. But there is a conventional way of looking for prospect. Making a list of friends and family, calling them, doing a home party, doing a hotel meeting. Yeah, if you like to do that, go ahead. Well, fine, because I am successful in as a networker using the same method. But not everybody are willing to do that. So if you are struggling in your network marketing business, huh, or you want to grow your team to a better height, I think you must take a close look at this system. This system will help you to sponsor more people to your MLM business using the power of internet. They will teach you everything that you need to know about online marketing. And on top of that, they will provide you all the tools that an online marketer needs. Everything is there. They package all the tools and the training together, and they give out to the public at a very low cost, which is affordable to almost everybody. It's damn cheap. And okay, in this system also, they will teach you how to do the marketing on the various social media, the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. And I think the main focus now is on Facebook. How to utilize Facebook marketing to grow your business. It's beautiful. Yeah, as a personal testimony, yeah, I've been trying to learn the online marketing by buying a few programs on the internet. This is a few years ago. I've been trying to learn, and after going through a few programs, at last I found this power lead system, which is very simple, very easy. Anybody can use it. So long as you know how to log into a computer, surf the internet, or you can just chat with your friend on Facebook, you can easily use this system. So I think this system will definitely help you to sign up more people to join your business opportunity. But if you are not a networker, this will help you to drive more customers to your business. You will definitely love it. So for you to find out more about the system, please go to the next video. You will have a full preview of what the system is all about, and I can guarantee that you will love it. You can have a free trial to use the system, no charges at all. You have a 7 days free trial to use the system. If you like it, then continue. If you don't like it within the 7 days, you just can cancel it. So this is the business of the 21st century. We let you test the system. Okay, so best of luck and see you at the next page. Thank you. Bye.